And today we're going to be unboxing my new keycap set. Yo, hello guys, welcome. It is Clue. And in today's video, like said, we're going to be unboxing my new keycap set. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you guys do, leave a like, subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. 2023, you know, we're really going to be out here grinding. Also, you can check out my Instagram and my Twitch. It'll be linked down below. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you sexy asses in the next one. Peace. Alright guys, what we have here are the Cherry Profile Cement Gray Japanese PBT keycap set. This is a whole keycap set. We're finally getting rid of this one because I don't even have the proper keys, as you can see. But yeah, we're going to get right into it. You better see them right here. Woo! These things are flames. Oh shit! There they are right there. See how it matches my mouse mat. Everything's coming together now. We also have a custom coiled cable coming in as well, so be on the lookout for that. But these are it right here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these. Put those off to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse me taking this apart. Alright, so there we are. We have all the keycaps off the keyboard. We're going to go ahead and just clean this up. Alright, so we're all cleaned up. We're going to go ahead and start throwing on some of the keys now. We're going to start with the arrow keys. And I'm going to go ahead and speed this up as well. Well, it turns out both of them stopped recording. I did finish the keyboard. I'll go ahead and show you now. Right here. There it is. Boom, complete. We are keeping, whoop, wrong side. We are keeping the escape still, just to tie it all in. Maybe, I mean, all right, well, let me know what you guys think about the mountain keycaps still staying on this set of keycaps. I think it, personally, myself, it looks amazing. But that's my opinion. Just let me know down below. And yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked it. And yeah, there you are. And we'll see you sexy asses in the next one. Peace.